Hey, today we got things that make a difference in your life. Mom used to say that sometimes simple little things make a big difference. And I'm going to show you a couple of quick ones real fast here. So, excuse my look. I just finished cleaning the truck. So, of course, by that I did clean the truck, mowed the lawn, was melting some 3D printer stuff, redid my dust collection, and then got tired and basically just really quick finished up the truck. So yeah, anyways, that back there, that's gonna be another project. Ooh, there's more rust on the edge. Oh shit. There'll be a later video on rust and fender flares. Okay, simple little things that change your life. Here's one of them. So cord rail. You see the cord hanging there. You can take and pull it out, lock it. You got your cord. It's plugged in way up there, and then it goes down an extension cord and into my power bar, and never mind about that, but it is so handy. You wouldn't think that it would make a big difference in your life, but man, that thing on sale, Princess Auto or Canadian Tire kind of thing. I think this was Princess Auto. Probably under 30 bucks. Makes a huge difference. Because now you don't fight with cords and extensions. You just go out and grab it and away you go. Along the same line. Ignore my bad camera action here. Along the same line, we've got air hose reel. So this guy rolls up, standard chuck on the end. You can take and put your air chucks and stuff in there and blow up your tires. I've actually got two of these in my shop. I've got one here, and then I've got one way over there by the compressor. So I got the compressor up on the shelf to get it out of the way. I got a hose reel there. So that hose reel, I do my tires and stuff like that. Air tools every now and then. But more so the one by the bench, I just ran a hose over to it, hooked it up. Air nailers and blowing stuff off, and hell, I use this one to blow up the tires on this side of the truck. I use the other one to blow up the tires on the other side of the truck. Again, 30 bucks on sale. Cheap, easy to install, makes a huge difference. I love them. So there you go, quick things that make a big difference that you wouldn't think. Air hose and a cord reel. The air hose, you gotta roll up by hand, and it's in behind and tucked in stuff, so it's a bit of a pain in the butt. But I didn't think it was worth the automatic hose reel one. I mean, if you can swing those, great. We find them on sale. But the automatic reeling cord, way better. Because anything that isn't directly on my bench and plugged into the power bars, it is on that hose reel or cord reel, and it makes it so much easier. All right, so that's it. We'll talk to you later.